Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and for today or tonight we have a little bit of entertainment. As you can see, we have magic listed, and this here's a little magic trick set that I want to try out now. A little prestidigitation, and if you perhaps know how to spell prestidigitation and can say it correctly, then congrats to you. But this is a set by Melissa and Doug, and they're the makers of, different solid wood toys for kids usually. This set here, they have the Deluxe set. It has about 10 tricks involved. Professional tricks for the beginner. We'll see how that works out. Solid wood, easy to perform, and for ages 8 and above. And this particular set, of course, like all good sets, will come with a secret envelope here that shows pretty much how to do all the tricks. And on the back here it shows a little shout to Melissa and Doug, the toy makers. And this one here is called the Cylinder Squeeze. And so you have this cylinder here. You can see there that there's, let me see if I can see here, nothing in there. And it has some Egyptian files on it, and solid wood. And what else can I say about it? I guess you can't really see it too much on this side, but this side's a little bit shinier. It has I don't know, laminated on the wood, maybe printed on. It's hard to say, but it's a pretty good little set here. And the way the trick goes is something like this. Here you got your cylinder set out, that's in the hands, and you take the blue cylinder, the green one next, and the red one on top. And now you get your finger, you charge it up, bam. You take the finger, connect it with the red inside. Can't really see on the side because it's wood on the side here, so don't worry about it. But and you drag that cylinder down past the blue, past the green, all the way to the bottom. So now you have that cylinder set on the bottom, and that's pretty good. But now watch this. Put your finger on it and back up past the blue, past the green, and check this out. You can see that there. Right in there, it's a little bit hard to see, is the red cylinder. I took it to the bottom of the tube, past the blue and the green, and brought it back up. And that's pretty much the trick there. Yep, thank you. I'll be here all night. But really, it goes something like this. Got your cylinder, you have the red on the top, blue, green. You bring it down. Force it down, don't let it fly out the top, and bring it down like this. There, it's on the bottom. Now then, if I lift this up, you should have the red cylinder, the blue cylinder, and the green cylinder. Just like that. And so, there you go. You force the red one right through the blue and the green ones from the top to the bottom. Alright, well, I will have to try another trick here. If you guys like this trick, make some comments. If you know how it's done, don't shout it out to everybody. Gotta keep things a secret around here. And if you want me to do more tricks, then let me know in the comments below, and I will see what I can do. Odd Job Doer, thanks for watching.